In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import budgets in Xero. Whether you're new to Xero or just looking to brush up on your skills, this guide will walk you through the process step by step, ensuring that you can manage your finances with ease and precision. Let's get started by navigating to the top bar in your Xero interface. Once you're there, click on the Reporting tab. This section is where you can access all of your financial reports, providing a comprehensive overview of your business's financial health. After clicking on Reporting, you'll want to select All Reports. This option will give you access to the entire spectrum of reports that Xero offers, so scroll through until you find exactly what you need. In our case, we're looking for the Budget Manager. Go ahead and click on it. Now, once you're in the Budget Manager, you'll notice at the bottom of the page there's an Import button. This is where the magic happens, as it allows you to bring your budget data into the Xero platform with ease. Click Import to proceed. At this point, you'll be prompted to download a template. Xero provides you with two options, CSV or Excel. Choose the format that works best for you. If you're not sure, CSV is often a good choice because of its simplicity and wide compatibility. But Excel might be preferable if you're more comfortable working within that program and need the extra functionality it provides. After downloading the template, it's time to fill in your budget data. Open the file in the program you selected and begin inputting your figures. Be sure to populate all the required fields accurately. Double-check your entries to ensure that everything is correct and complete. Budgeting effectively necessitates accurate data, so take your time during this step. Once you're satisfied with your input, save the file, making sure it retains the correct format. Return to Xero and upload your completed template to the platform. Xero will then process the data, and your budgets will be imported accordingly. And that's all there is to it. With these simple steps, you've successfully imported your budgets into Xero, streamlining your financial management and setting yourself up for more efficient business operations. Feel free to revisit this tutorial whenever you need, and remember that budgeting is a continuous process. Regular updates and reviews are key to staying on top of your financial goals. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope this guide has helped simplify the budgeting process for you in Xero. If you have any further questions or need assistance, don't hesitate to reach out. Happy budget managing, and see you in the next video.